Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to extend Drive in Windows 11 PC without installing any software. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed to the Start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and click on Disk Management. So the moment you do it, this window will show up, which is the disk management, where it show you all of the disk drives that you have plugged in or that are present in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. The next thing that you need to do is you need to proceed with the another drive. Okay, click on this. The moment you do it, please do a right click and go with delete volume. So before proceeding on deleting on this D drive, which is the another drive out of this E drive, okay, in my case, all you need to do is you need to back up all the data that you have saved in this one before clicking on yes, because deleting this volume will erase all the data on it. So please proceed on clicking on the yes once you have backed up any data that you have that include pictures, files, documents, or any of the important files or data that you are having or that you have saved in this drive. Okay, once you're done, click on yes. And once you have clicked on it, please proceed with your E drive, which is the primary partition. Please do a right click and go with delete volume. So might as well here before clicking on delete volume, since the extend volume is being grayed out, then we have no choice but to click on delete volume. So before clicking on delete volume, you need to back up first the importance files that you have saved here in your D drive, okay, your E drive rather. So in my case, I just have to click on this, click on this cut, move that here at my music. I'll just do a right click and go with paste. Once I have ensured that my files is being backed up or was being transferred to another location, you can now close the window and proceed to this management. So from here, please do a right click once again. Go with this delete volume. Click on yes since you have backed it up already. And once you have click on it, it will be extended. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is you need to do a right click and click on new simple volume to activate this since it's unallocated. Okay, and here click on next once again, go with next, choose your drive letter that you'd like to go with. In my case, I'll be selecting D. Once you're done, click on next and choose the file system, either FAT32 or NTFS. Once you're done, click on next, go with finish to proceed. So wait until all of the process would be done. Okay, and it's now we're almost there actually. It's now formatting. You just have to wait. And here we go. We have just extended our drive here in our Windows 11 PC without using any software. So from here, you can now click on your music in my case, and you can proceed it here at your extended drive. Do a right click and go with the space to paste it. Okay, we just have to wait until the pasting process would be finished. Once you're done, you're good. You can now close the window and that's it. Close this as well and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.